Look at the old refrigerator.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I want to come back here with my good camera. Oh, that didn't work.
No fair, you have to put me up here.
I had to put you up there?
Or it's better right now.
Careful. You know this time of year with leaves. Noodles, hold on.
Okay, honey.
Slippery. And you have weird shoes on for hiking today again. Yeah, please be careful. And don't kill your new pants.
I don't go sit that way.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Stinky!
Oh, it's nice. It sounds good.
Just pay attention, Abby.
Where do I?
Abby, pay attention. You're really high up. Maybe I should get closer in case I have to catch you. I believe this would be the point. We found a narrow little unmarked trail, which eventually hooked up with the trail we need to take in our lovely non-trail shoes, because we didn't think we'd be doing this today, but you should always be prepared with hiking because you never know when you're going to go bushwhacking. And we found our dog some water on the Hudson. Dude, I can't believe I totally missed this on the way in. This is why you always pay attention. Trail maps! Dur, dur, dur. And we end this hike. Second hike, we're going around Pelton Pond in the rain. Kind of a cold rain, too. And is it wrong that I'm thinking of fried chicken from Florrie's right now? And I'm supposed to be getting fit. And I'm thinking of fried chicken.
Mommy, before we go.
According to your map, we're almost to the next nice beach?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad.
Please, on my map.
Yep.
That's my war. Can see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's right there is nice very big right there.
Ooh, I can't. Snowshoe trail. See, trail's not too bad through here. Nice, easy walk. Couple little uphills and downhills, just kind of rolling. Have to watch your footing here and there. Normal trail. And that concludes our hike. Abby ran into a fallen tree branch. I think she'll live, though. Nice Band-Aids.